Hello and welcome to this video about detoxing from your Android phone. And the first thing you can do is removing notifications from apps. This can be done in the setting menu, and also when you receive a notification you can adjust the settings so the app doesn't send you any further notifications. There are also some great apps in the Android store, such as this digital detox app, where you are challenged to focus on other things in life than your phone, and over time you'll be able to complete the challenge and achieve more and more time without your phone. So it's definitely something you can build up. And if you want to go a step further, you can also use the app Minimalist Phone, and this removes a lot of colors from your screen and makes it less engaging. For example, your home screen is just a list of words instead of these colorful icons that are really distracting. You can also do this in the Android menu itself without installing an app, where you change the colors from just the standard ones to grayscale, and also already a lot less engaging. But this app takes it a step further, and it's just actually a list of words, and you will be less engaged or less tempted to use your phone because it's not triggering your brain as much. What you can do as well is logging out of a lot of apps and uninstalling them. For example, just install Instagram on your computer but not on your phone, and this also avoids temptations. Already adding some friction, such as logging out, can also be a big step, where you have to re-log in every single time you use it. And just adding these little points of friction can already avoid a lot of mindless scrolling. You can also check in Android system itself how much time you have spent on the phone, and this can also be a wake-up call, where you see, wow, I didn't expect that I spent this much time on Instagram or YouTube Shorts or whatever. So just a short video about detoxing from your phone addiction, and we discussed some apps and also some Android settings that allow you to make the phone less engaging and making sure you get fewer notifications, and also adding some friction to using certain apps, so you're less tempted to use them every single time you have some time at your hands where you're doing nothing at all. So just some pointers, and thank you for watching this video, and have a wonderful day ahead.